Hello investors, welcome to the channel. My name is Mike. I'm an average investor sharing my investment journey on the internet. My channel's name is Elite Investing. My goal on this channel is to help empower all of us to build wealth. In today's video, we're going to discuss my portfolio. I have 4 different accounts. I have a Fidelity account, I have a Robinhood account, I have an M1 Finance account, and I have a TIAA account. Each of these accounts, I use a different strategy to invest in. So let's get started. My total overall net worth is $385,424.84. It is one of the highest months I've ever had. So I'm close to almost $400,000 worth of assets in all 4 of my accounts. Now, I'm not doing this to brag or to just be like, oh, I got all this money. Well, my goal is I want to show you guys that it's taken me 5 years to get to this point, and it is possible to build wealth. I'm not saying my strategy is the best strategy, but this is the strategies that I've been using to building wealth. So we'll go through all those. The first account is the Fidelity account. So this is where I primarily growth invest. In this account, I primarily hold Tesla. Total account value is $267,025.06, $29,550.48. In my M1 Finance account is my Roth IRA, so this is my passive income account. In this account, I primarily want to focus on dividend investing. And then my final account that I have is my TIAA account. This is my 401k, so this is a work-sponsored account. So I updated all of these different things. So in my diversified accounts, what I view diversified is my individual dividend stocks as well as my Vanguard. And then my growth portfolios, I kind of view Palantir and Teslas in like the same light. What I may do for the next spreadsheet is I just may move this cash position into this one because my growth portfolio or my hyper growth company is Tesla. I don't think Palantir fits in this role as a growth portfolio anymore because I'm just going to be running the wheel and producing income. So I may actually have to switch that over. And then over here, like with each individual strategy, so I have 4 accounts. I have different strategies for each account, but the most important thing is you have to keep putting money in. Your gains will drastically increase if you can put more money in. Harvesting a decent amount of premium from selling covered calls. You look probably sometime in September, starting September, I've only been making like $300, but then the last, I think 6 weeks, I've been making over $2,000 every 2 weeks, so about $1,000 a week in income from this. Going forward, there's going to be no more interest that's going to be paid out. I may have one more interest payment for like the last month that I used, but there shouldn't be any more interest because I'm no longer using margin. Now, for the growth portfolio, the strategy is still the same, except one thing. I am not going to be milking premium anymore from Tesla to enhance my long-term gain. I'd be getting these like little small amounts of premium just to kind of take that money and reinvest it in. I think at this point in the game, risk of getting my shares assigned is much higher than what I'm going to get to enhance long-term gain. So in my mind, I'm no longer going to do that. The first one is options. This is growth. We'll talk about dividend and then 401k investing. The most important thing is just getting your money up, putting that money in. The more money you can put in earlier, the more it compounds. Well, I'm going to be getting paid this Friday, so I'm going to add in another section here for money that I put in. My last paycheck, I only was able to put like $450, and you can just see kind of here how much money I have been putting. I have a basic blue-collar job, and I'm not doing this to be like, oh, like this guy's putting all this money away, like he probably makes all this money in the world. I do not make all this money in the world. I'm just showing you guys that like just put the money in and you can grow these positions, you can grow these accounts. This is my dividend. My next one over here is my dividend account. Since I've already maxed this account out, I don't need to be putting any more money in because the $6,000 is the max and I can't put any more. The most up-to-date dividend is about $33.25, and you can just kind of see here all my dividend payments. I do make a separate dividend investment video. I will be making an options video at some point just to kind of show you my thought process and like what I'm doing. I digress. And then my last investment strategy here is like the 401k investing or the index investing. If you looked at the breakdown of what my 401k is, it invests in like the Vanguard 2060 fund, which has total U.S. stock market, total international bonds, and U.S. bond. Paychecks are very consistent. I'm assuming I'm going to probably put in $166 this next Friday coming up. So this is my entire financial situation right now. If you guys have questions about any specific topics, like I think we are all on a journey to achieve like financial freedom and wealth together. So if you have questions, please ask them. I really want to help you guys out. I really appreciate you guys watching. It's no fun when I'm the only rich person or you're the only rich person. It's fun when we're all doing it together. So appreciate you guys watching the video. Hope you all have a good one and you guys have a great day.